Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a really cool shirt changing trick. I'll show you first and then I'll show you how to do it. So, I'm just gonna, it's a red shirt, right? Here, watch. As I just turn around, count to three. 1, 2, 3. Come back up. My shirt has changed. And if you think it's in the jacket, well, it's not. Okay, how you do this trick? Simply, my shirt's right underneath, like that. So, for this trick you'll need to put on 2 different coloured shirts. So, I have a red one underneath, white one on top. So, you put on the jacket with your 2 shirts on. Then you simply roll up the shirt in front, which is the white one. You roll it up like this. And you tuck your coat over it like that. So it's just rolling it up and tucking your coat over it. And you just do up one of your buttons of the coat. So like I do up this button. And I'll show you that it's a red shirt. Then as I turn around, all I'm doing is I'm undoing this button and pulling this down as I turn around. Bring that up, and when I turn around, it's a new shirt. And you show them that it isn't in the jacket. So, I'll show you this trick one more time. I'll quickly hop out of view, prepare myself. Now I'll come back in. As you can see, I have a red shirt on, completely clear. Okay, now your shoulders might look a little bit raw, but never mind. I'm going to change this shirt. But you don't, as you turn around, you don't say that I'm going to undo the button. You don't tell them that the button. So I just turn around. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you can get better than me at this and have some fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.